Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back after so many days again. So जो भी मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो करते हैं, आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी माई चेंज. आई गॉट स्मूथनिंग डन and it's looking beautiful, right? So I really wanted to share my experience with you guys. क्या प्रोसेस होता है and you know what is the process. मैंने भी पहली बार कोई इतनी बड़ी ट्रीटमेंट कराया है. Basically I did this because I love to straighten my hair a lot. So I think सबकी अपनी अपनी एक हेयर स्टाइल होती है. Somebody looks good in curls, somebody looks good in you know straight hair. So I think मेरी मेरी फेस स्ट्रेट हेयर पे ज़्यादा सूट करती है. सो जब मैंने ये ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया था उसके पहले मैं अपने बालों को आयरनिंग करती थी जब भी मैं बाहर जाती थी. सो वो मेरी 2-3 दिन तक वो स्ट्रेट हेयर रह जाती थी, ख़राब नहीं होती थी अगर मैं शैम्पू नहीं करती थी. But yeah, somehow we know it's not good for our hair, right? If we do a lot of ironing, heat appliances are not good. I don't use dryer, okay? So yeah, I usually don't use dryer or any kind of heat appliances. I was only using straightener, that's it, nothing else, and heat protectant, that's it. Yes, most of the people do keratin and smoothing. Now I want to tell you guys that keratin and smoothing both are very different process, okay? Now last year I did keratin. Okay, keratin treatment is something which will not make your hair straight this extent, okay? It's kind of a protein, right? So it will make your hair only healthy. And also keratin treatment will not last you for up to a year. This treatment will last you for a year or more than a year if you maintain it properly. According to me, you can do both this treatment if you are having a lot of weak hair, then only you should do both the treatments. But if you are having a pretty much good hair, it's not really required, okay? Because keratin treatment में भी they use chemicals. It's not like that कि कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट में केमिकल्स यूज नहीं होती है, सारे ट्रीटमेंट में केमिकल्स यूज होती है. नाउ इन स्मूथनिंग प्रोसेस इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेटनिंग प्रोसेस ओनली, बट इन स्मूथनिंग it will make your hair more straight and it will last you up to a year. Like if you love straight hair like me, or if you want to have straight hair like me, you can go for this process. So yeah, I really wanted to share my experience, how it went and what is the process and what I am going to use after this treatment. Now I did this treatment 2 days ago only. Now you have a lot of now you have to follow certain precautions, right? Like after you do the treatment, you cannot touch your hair a lot for about 2 days, and you have to apply serum regularly, like in interval of 6 hours or something like that. And also you cannot tie your hair, you cannot wet your hair. So for around 2 days you cannot do anything for your hair. So in the first process they are going to wash your hair. Now in every parlor first step is cleaning your hair. Now in second process they are going to apply a smoothing cream. Now if you are having a very long and voluminous hair, you need patience. Trust me guys, you need patience, because for these type of treatments you have to sit for around 3 to 4 hours. They will apply smoothing cream in each and every strand. So basically for me it took around 3 to 4 people to do this. So yeah, after that they again washed it, and after that they ironed my hair nicely. Now for this step they use a something, you know, particular iron which will you not get in online or any shop. So yeah, only I think parlors are having that. After straightening my hair, they again washed my hair nicely. They also applied serum or conditioner, and after that they again applied a cream which is I think called a neutralizer, and they kept it for around 30 minutes and again they washed it. Now this is the you know, final process after. So I'm really liking this look, and also I think smoothing makes your hair much more manageable. आपको ज़रा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता है that you have to tie it or you have to, you know, I think ज़्यादा कॉम भी नहीं करना पड़ता है, but you should. मैं भी करती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कॉम नहीं करती हूँ. आई होप आई एम एबल टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड like what is the process and all. Now let's talk about the like what they suggested me to use and how I should take care. Now इसके पहले मैंने keratin and highlights कराया था, so I have a little bit of experience that you know, ये सब केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट कराने के बाद हाउ आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेयर, बिकॉज यू नो ट्रीटमेंट कराने के बाद यू कैन नॉट लीव योर हेयर लाइक दैट, क्योंकि आपको एकदम यू नो तभी तो कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, बट मे बी इन फ्यूचर यू विल बी एबल टू सी the consequences. So you really have to take care of hair nicely if you do these kind of chemical treatments. So you have to use a particular range after you do smoothing treatment. Now I was using this shampoo. Now they suggested me this L'Oreal Extenso Care Pro Keratin Plus Incel Anti Breakage Anti Dryness Shampoo. Now this shampoo I was using after my keratin treatment also. This is a very nice shampoo. So this is not my first bottle, this is my third bottle. So after smoothing also they suggest this range also. This is a very nice shampoo. It has two variants. This is the blue and white variant, and the other one is I think golden variant. That is a little bit different. Like if you are having, you know, more damaged hair, you can use that one because that is sulfate and paraben free, and it's having a mask and serum also. So you have to use that serum and mask after this smoothing treatment. So I will link the pictures somewhere in the screen of serum and mask. Most of the parlor will suggest you कि oiling मत करो because you know वो चली जाएगी ट्रीटमेंट, बट आई डोंट पर्सनली प्रेफर दैट बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट गो विदाउट ऑयलिंग. सो फॉर ऑयल आई एम यूजिंग द मामा अर्थ ऑनियन हेयर ऑयल. इट्स अ वेरी गुड हेयर ऑयल. आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर अराउंड 3 to 4 months. So it's a very good hair oil actually, so I don't really see any problem in this. It's not like that कि इस ट्रीटमेंट के बाद I'm not gonna oil my hair. I'm gonna oil my hair regularly. ज़्यादा चंपी नहीं कर. It's important. If we don't do it, I think future में consequences झेलने पड़ेंगे. Thing for my hair, I am using a mask. Now I don't really use mask very regularly. Like अभी लॉकडाउन है, कहीं जाना नहीं हो रहा, तो I'm not using it. For hair mask, I am using the Mamaearth Argan hair mask. This is a very nice hair mask. This is my second tub, and trust me, it makes your hair smooth. So you can apply, like if you have color treated hair and chemical treated hair like me, you have to use these type of things to protect your hair. Now I don't really like putting eggs in my hair. You can also use the onion or tea tree if you have oily scalp or something like that. These products I'm going to use after this treatment, and before this treatment also I was using these products only. So I'm pretty much happy about this, that my products are not changed. I'm not recommending or suggesting you that you have to do this treatment. It totally depends upon you. So yeah, that was all about my today's video. I hope I was able to make you understand my experience. I just wanted to share my experience video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also share and like my video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.